Here's a quick video on the unboxing of the Boatman Mk4 bait boat. The boat will come very well protected. In the end of the polystyrene on the nose end, you'll find the UK mains charger, the remote with a lanyard for the boat, USB lead for charging the remote, and that must be charged into 5 volts, 1 amp, no greater than 1 amp, a spare pair of propellers, and a towel for cleaning your boat down after use. The boat will have a protective cover on the lid, protection there to stop the hopper rattling, a bit of tape on the rear hopper to stop that scratching during transit, and some tape along the bottom here for prevent scratching. And all this should be removed prior to use. The battery is cable tied down, and this will need cutting to remove your battery. Obviously charge it. Before use, you're going to need to charge your battery and your remote. The battery, as you can see, this is on green because it's not plugged in, goes to red. Leave this on charge until that turns green. Don't leave it unattended or leave it overnight, so you do not want to overcharge the battery. The charge time is from completely flat, 5 hours for the 5AH and 10 hours for the 10AH battery, but that's only from completely flat. The remote, we've got a 5 volt 1 amp USB socket here, and you plug this into the remote, and that's showing that it's charging on green, and when fully charged it will go solid red. With the battery fully charged and in the boat, we're ready to go. Remote's fully charged. With the boats, you always turn the remote on first, and then the boat, and same as when you come to turn it off, it's boat first, then remote. So, turn the remote on by holding the bottom button there. That's beeped 4 times, which gives a power charge indication. So that's 25% for beep, so that's 100%. At any point you can press the remote to tell you how much charge it's got in it, just simply like that. So the remote's on. We'll turn the boat on with the switch under the lid. You can see there that it's showing all 5 LEDs lit up, and that's showing you 100%. So let's go through the buttons. Top left is your centre hopper. Just a quick press, hopper will open. You have to close the hopper manually, like so. The centre button has 2 functions. It's to control the boat's speed. So you've got a slow speed and a fast speed. It defaults to the fast speed. Then the other option for that button is, with these boats with the compass, you calibrate the compass at first use on a swim, and there's a separate video showing you how to do that. This other button here is for the rear hopper, like so. That opens on the rope, quick press again, and then close it manually. This is the yaw button, which is how to alter the way the boat's steering, but on this model it's less likely to be needed because these haven't got a compass that correct them. And then finally that button there is for the headlight, which you turn on, off, like so. So now you're ready to operate the boat. So literally, remote forward makes the boat go forward. If you hold it forward at the fastest setting for 5 seconds, the boat will go into auto forward. Now, provided you've calibrated your compass, the boat will go, continue in that direction until you tell it to do different. But you can stop it by pressing any button, and then it will stop going auto forward. Obviously you've got reverse, left, right, and obviously you can steer it diagonally. If you're stationary and you turn it hard left, it will turn on its own axis. And that's as simple as that, really. just to show the remote in operation. Obviously this is a bit difficult for me because it's upside down, but obviously forward makes the boat go forward. If you pull the remote as far as it goes forward, that's just beep now, that is in auto forward. Now that will continue to go forward for 60 seconds, and so long as you've set your compass, the boat will continue to go in the direction that you've sent it and not deter off its course. To stop it, just press any button, it will stop it. And then obviously you've got hard left like that. That will make the one motor spin one way, the other motor spin the other way, which will turn on its own axis, same the other way. Then obviously you've got reverse. And obviously you can see the more I move the remote, the faster it goes.